ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ እንደምን አላችሁ እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ ለዛሬ vlog ማለት ነው እንግዲህ ዛሬ ወንድማችን አብዛኞቻችሁ ታውቁታላችሁ አተም from Cameroon ይዘነው መጣናል ወደ አዲስ አበባ እንግዲህ አዲስ አበባ እንዲያያት ማለት ነው እንዴት እንደምታምር ላሳየው ይዤው መጥቻለሁ ማለት ነው ወንድም አለው ይዤው መጥቻለሁ ነው የሚባለው ወይስ ወንድም አለው ማላልኩትም ጉድ ኦኬ ሊስን ተረዱኝ እንግዲህ በእንግሊሽ ላወራ ነው ምናምን ሽሽ የሚልባችሁ ካላችሁ አማርኛ እየቀላቀልኩኝ ምናምን እናገራለሁ ማለት ነው ናፒ ለራሱ አለ ሽሽ እያለው ነው አማርኛ ለምድ ሄደ ችግር የለውም so welcome to Ethiopia
thank you so much my brother thank you so much Ethiopia
Cameroon
I'm here for you
Cameroon is in Ethiopia Addis Ababa okay one question I have for you is once you landed on Ethiopia what is the first feeling that you had or even before you land when you were on the plane once you saw the structure the lights
from the air the light that was in Addis right I passed through a couple of countries and I did not experience this light
really
so when I got into Addis it was lit then when I landed the airport lit
yes
when I stepped out bro
what did you feel
bro
what did you feel
Addis is fire man
yes beautiful isn't it Addis Ababa you know it's going to be the capital of Africa very soon Ethiopia man
I think it is already man like you need to visit Addis Ababa you watching right because
you watching
the architecture is different it's beautiful it's just come just come
so today my goal is I'm going to show him around in Addis Ababa and tomorrow he's going to have a tour guide he's going to vlog YouTube videos and TikTok videos as well but today he's going to be staying with me and we're going to vlog it vlog እናደርገዋለን ተከታተሉን ማለት ነው እሺ Atem in Addis Ababa Mr. Cameroon is here to meet Mr. Ethiopia and we're going to make it happen